this is Santhi Babu, Department of Computer Applications. Today I will discussing about CFOD. CFOD means Fundamentals of Computer Techniques. Today discussing about some important topics like that. First one, history of computer. History of computer. The main history of computer in the olden days, man used to count things the help of stones slowly comes their fingertips, but count fast and calculating through the machine. Then they are started investing the machine to calculate. Essentially there are three types of calculating devices. First one manual device, second one mechanical device, third one automatic devices. So these are the foundation of these manual devices. The basic tool is the abacus. There are computer history, there are so many mathematical devices there. First one abacus, second one Napier bones, third one Pascaline, fourth one arithmetic replica, fifth one differential and analytical engine, sixth one punch card reading machine, seventh one Mark 1. Mark 1 is the first generation computer. The generations of computers are basically divided into now up to first generation to fifth generation, five types of computer generations. First one, first generation computers. The period of first generation computers are 1944 to 1955. These first generation computers are run to the computer by using of vacuum tubes. The second generation computer period, the period is 1955 to 1964. By using of these second generation computers run for the transistors, by using the transistors. Next, third generation computers are the period is 1964 to 1975. This is the period of third generation computer device. In these third generation computers, by using the integrated circuits run this computer. Next one, fourth generation computer. Fourth generation computers are the present technology. For example, up to 1944 to 1975. This is the period of fourth generation computer. Fourth generation computers are 1975 to 1989. By using the fourth generation computers run with computer VLSI, very large scale integrated circuits, or MP, microprocessor. By using the microprocessor, still working computers are almost all computers are by using the microprocessor. These are all fourth generation computers. Next, nowadays technology is growth day by day, every day. That's by some techniques or some algorithm tips are reached nowadays. That's why here 1989 to still 2022. These period are the fifth generation period. That is called a fifth generation computers are using microprocessor or like that, by using some important algorithms like that AI, artificial intelligence technology. The next one, advantages of computers. This is a very, very important nowadays. So many advantages there, so many organizations, so many departments by using the computers. Using the computer, without the computer, we don't imagine the society and universe. Nowadays, most powerful organization or more powerful sector in the society is the IT. So many advantages there in computers. Nowadays, some examples are there. We're discussing some examples. First one, advantages of computers. First one, communication. How to communicate by using the computer? Communication. By using the communication means like that, by using the internet mails, nowadays using the social network also. Example, WhatsApp. First one, communication. Next one, computer for education. Nowadays using every sector at the same time education sector also, from KG to PG, all education courses, all education sectors like that, engineering colleges, universities, whatever it is, computer for nowadays using education. Third one, business and industries. This is a very important. This is the very important advantage. Business. For example, nowadays using all business accepts like that e-commerce by using the internet and using the internet and some using the hardware components. We can apply that all type of e-commerce techniques like that EDI. I mean nowadays using the example using the e-commerce example, Amazon. This is the one of the e-commerce site like that online business, payrolls, tally. These type of softwares are using this business industry. Fourth advantage, science and technology. Science and technology. Nowadays using the growing the technology day by day. So in using the science industry, science technology by using the computers, missiles, automobiles, atom bombs, ATMs like that. Any sectors by using the computers nowadays. Fifth one, medicine and healthcare. How to use the computer, medicine and healthcare industry. Like that thermometers, ECG, like that different scannings are there, X-rays, like that. By using the computers in medical side, healthcare side, like that coronavirus scanning missions, like that. This is the very important in this medicines and healthcare by using the computers. Or otherwise, next advantage is engineering. How to use the engineering students and engineers by using the computers. Nowadays using the technology, we can create the advanced techniques like that CAD and CAM, computer aided design, computer aided missions by using the computers and create new tools like that engineering sector. Next, seventh one, computer in manufacturing. It is a very important. Nowadays technology is everyday growing. That's why it's the computers in manufacturing. What is the manufacturing means? By creating a new robotics, like that robotics, machine learning, these type of kind of manufacturing sectors also by using the computer in manufacturing. Last but not least, another advantage, other uses of computer. But there are so many advantages there. But this is another advantage. For example, by using the graphics, agriculture fields, like that. So many sectors by using the computer. Next one, we're discussing about classifications of computer. Classifications of computer based on logics and purpose. Based on logics and purpose. Classifications means divide the computers by based on the work and based on the purpose, based on the size and based on the purpose. First, we're discussing about based on logic and purpose. This is the first point. Logic based and purpose based using some computers are divided into three categories. First one, analog computers. Second one, digital computers. Third one, hybrid computers. These are all by using the purpose of work based on computers. Next one, based on the size. We can categorize it into again four types of by using based on the size. Size based computers are classified into four types. First one, microcomputers. Second one, mini computers. Third one, mainframe computers. Fourth one, supercomputers. These are all totally classified into two types based on the logic and purpose, based on the size. Next one, another slides are discussing about computer organizations, basic computers. First one, another slide there, but this is a very important block diagram of computer. A computer in 1833, Charles Babbage was known as a father of the computer. A computer is a programmable and electronic device that can take a data, perform instructed arithmetic and logical operations, and give into the output. Whatever is the given to the computer as a input is a called a data, while the output received after processing is called a information. This is the internal structure of computer. The basic parts of the internal structure of the computer is the first one input, second one CPU, third one output. First one input. How many devices there in input side? Input devices. Input devices are classified into basically three types. First one, very important devices. First one, keyboard, mouse, and scanner. These are all input devices. In between input and output devices, in between there one part that is called a CPU, central processing unit. In the CPU, so many parts there, divided into so many parts. First one accumulator, second one general purpose and special purpose registers, next timing, second one control unit, third one ALU, fourth one memory unit. ALU means arithmetical and logical units. These are all so many parts there internally working with the CPU. Accumulator, general purpose and special purpose registers, timing control and control unit, and arithmetical logical unit, and last one memory unit. Next, another part of the computer, output device. Basically, output devices are very important. Output devices are first one monitor. It is a very important device. We can find out the result and see the output of the screen. That is called a monitor. Second one, printer. In this printer is the hard copy of the document. Next one, speakers. These are all output devices. Next, some basic softwares by using the fundamentals of computer. The basic, what is the software? The software is the collection of programs and executable code is called a software. The software are divided into three types. First one, system software. Second one, application software. Third one, programming software. What is the system software? The main software, we are installing the licensed version of the operating system which is installing to the computer, that is called a main software or main operating system, that is called a system software. Another software type is the application software. Application software is one of the most important weapon in the IT sector. First one, what is the application software? For example, MS Office. MS Office is the group of softwares, the collection of softwares, the bunch of softwares. For example, daily life using softwares like that application software. For example, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access. Basically, these four softwares we are using the daily life or regular life. That is called a application software. Application software, first one, Microsoft Word, Word or Microsoft Word. Next one, the application software, different versions there. The popular versions are 2010 and 2007. Present we are discussing about 2010 Microsoft Word. Here discussing about some Microsoft Word is 2010. Always you to create a edit and personal and business document. What are the uses and advantages and features of MS Word? Microsoft Word is a 2010. Always you to create a edit. First one, create and edit, and business documents such as examples like that letters, reports, invoice, emails, and books. By the default documents saved in a Windows 2010 are saved with the .doxc. Automatically saved this document. Default extension is MS Word extension .dox. The Microsoft Word can be used for the following purpose like that. Create business documents having various graphics including the pictures, charts, and diagrams. These are very, very important by using the MS Word. Creating business documents having various graphics including pictures, charts, and diagrams. Second advantage there, to store and reuse ready-made content and formatted elements such as a cover page and sidebars. We can prepare a cover page, main page, and like that a sidebars also. To create letters and letterhead, personal and business purpose. Another advantage there, that is called to create letters and letterheads for personal and business purpose. And otherwise, we can discussing about to design different documents such as resumes, invitations cards, like that CVs also. Last one, to create a range of correspondence for a simple office memo, legal copies, and reference documents also we can create in this MS Word. Another application software there, that is called a Microsoft Excel. The another is important application software is the Microsoft Excel. So many features there in Microsoft Excel. First one, auto calculation. Auto calculation is the one of the default characteristics of the MS Excel. You have probably had to create temporary formula to quickly check total. All you have to do now, some groups or numbers are selected them. There is some will be appear the status area. You even average or count numbers, right click in the status area. It is automatically calculation. The first one. Second one, autocomplete. Autocomplete means Excel now using the intelligence to anticipated you have the going to type of based on the entire you have already made autocomplete. Try to figure to the intended type of. Once you have enter few values, Excel display the remaining values. If it is okay, then press enter. It is automatically complete this formula. Next one, autocorrect. Like Word or Excel can now automatically correct the mistakes. That is called a auto correction. Next one. Next, another important feature is auto filter. Auto filter with top 10 lines or top 10 contents. Auto filter is one of the most important feature in the MS Excel. And auto filter is a shortcut sorting the data. In order data, it can be sorted all type of lines and words. That is called it is a filter with top 10. It is a filter with top 10. Just select a column or row and choose auto filter option, data menu. Excel will find the top 10 highest or lowest values depending on upon your settings. This is called a auto filter with top 10 columns. Next, another feature there, that is called a better drag and drop. It is one of the most important feature in this MS Excel. Do you want to move the group of cells? Excel drag and drop feature lets your reposition selected to the portion of your spreadsheet by simply drag them with your mouse. Automatically it is drag and drop option there. By using the mouse like that, copy and paste. To move the text and move the data one sheet to another sheet. It's common. It is called a drag and drop feature. Next one, another feature there, that is called a cell tips and scroll tips. Cell tips and call tips. It is a very important feature in the MS Excel. What is the cell? The combination of rows and columns in between create a one cell. The combination of rows and columns form a cell. Like that, by using the Excel, very most important tables like that, student table or employee table, department table, we can create in the MS Excel. That's why it is called a cell tips and scroll tips. To help you get around the better with the mouse, Excel including the scroll tips, like that, scrolling the mouse, move the cell from top to bottom or left to right. This is another important tip, like that, cell tips and scroll tips. Another important feature there, that is called easier document retrieval the management. Easier document and retrieval the management means Excel has a great streamlined file management. You can quickly find the worksheet with the fast finding, and you can easily delete it, rename file right in the open the dialog box. This is called a easily find that sheet or easily find that Excel document and retrieve the data from one sheet to another sheet. That is called a easier document and retrieve the management. Another feature there, number formatting. It is one of the important feature in the MS Excel. It is easy to format the number with the Excel's number formatting feature. Select your number and choose a cell options formatting menu. Otherwise, Excel provides so many number formattings represent the numbers like a date and time, currency, dimensional part of a numbers, and so and so. Like that, so many formulas and functions there by using the MS Excel number system. Last but not least is the conditional formatting enhancement. What is the conditional formatting and enhancement means? Data bar conditional formatting can be displayed the solid colors by using the each and every line and each and every cell. It can be automatically apply the conditional format and display the table. Like that, data bar conditional formatting can be displayed the solid colors, and it is a bars provide a more accurately display provided the more accurately. It is called a conditional format. Next one, another feature there, that is called a paste preview. For example, we can ready to for print any document, we can see the automatically print preview. Similarly, in Excel, when you copy the range of cells from cell 1 to 5, copies the range of cells of the paste command, display the various options with a live preview, so you can see how the paste option will be look. It is called a paste preview. Before going to the move the text, automatically display the paste preview. It is called a paste preview. The last one, equation editor. It is a very important in the MS Excel. Create and display the non-calculating mathematical equations and embedded them in a worksheet. It is a one important tab there, that is called a data and formula tab. It can be used the equation, all type of equations, and we can doing this MS Excel. Next one, last feature and important feature is called a functions enhancement. Is so many functions there in the MS Excel. Some Excel worksheets are financial and statistical functions have been improved in the stream of numerical accuracy. These are all 12 important features there in MS Excel application software. Next one, another important and basically daily life using application software is the PowerPoint. PowerPoint is another application software in a fundamentals of computer techniques. Like that, we can discussing about PowerPoint presentation. So many features there. First one, PowerPoint. Why are you using this PowerPoint? PowerPoint can be used to create a black and white overhead transparencies, black and white overhead transparencies. It used to create a black and white overhead transparency. It is one of the important feature. Another important feature is there. PowerPoint help to design the presentation and also help to generating impressive slides. So slides shows that are organized and professionals. The large amount of data we can retrieve, but it is a slide by slide. It will distribute the data from one slide to another slide by using the picture also. That is the very important. Like that, PowerPoint presentation helps to design presentations and also help to generate the impressive slides. Slideshow like that, organizations and professionals. Another important feature is the MS Excel, MS PowerPoint presentation. Like that, by using the PowerPoint, we can create a 35 mm slides, maximum 1 to 35 mm slides. Can create a 35 mm slides. Another feature there, in the PowerPoint presentation. In PowerPoint presentation integrated like that text, graphics, pictures from the existing file and also insert our own diagram or the drags and the drawings has a presentation materials. We can present the one of the important organization structure or business structure or like the student seminars, like the student interviews, whatever it, we can prepare the slides in the MS PowerPoint presentation. Another important feature is there, but you can daily life using software that is called MS PowerPoint. You can apply the sound effects and animations to your presentation. You have any slide, but using the like that cat picture, but also cat picture there, but we can apply that sound video that cat picture. Like that, you can apply the sound effects and animations to your presentation. The Microsoft PowerPoint provide the inbuilt sound effects for a slide transition. Automatically, so many so many sound effects there in default, like that sound templates there. Next one, presentation. MS PowerPoint presentation can be uploaded to the internet for the online user. Present, you can prepare the one slide in the PowerPoint presentation at the same place. You can upload that slide. Like that, presentation can be uploaded internet for the online users. It is a very one of the feature. At the same time, text in the slides can be modified as you like. Text in the slides can be modified as you like with the help of formatting toolbar or formatting menu. It is a very important menu, formatting menu or formatting toolbar. Next one, PowerPoint supports playing of animation GIF files. PowerPoint can be support the playing of animated GIF files. Can be support the PowerPoint presentation GIF graphical interface files also. It can be supported to the MS PowerPoint presentation. Last one, in PowerPoint slides we can insert our own graphics and organization charts. It is a very important. So many graphs and charts there in PowerPoint presentation. Your own presentation or your own organization, you can prepare the organizational structure chart and like that department structure chart and automatically we can prepare so many charts in this PowerPoint presentation. The PowerPoint has a wide variety of ready-made templates. So many templates, default templates with input the software PowerPoint presentation. It can be available. PowerPoint has a wide variety of ready-made templates there. So PowerPoint can be supported many languages according to the predefined languages. Predefined software, it can be help with the PowerPoint presentation. These are all main basic components of the our concept. It is called a computer fundamentals, organization and techniques. First one, so many discussing about so many concepts. First one, characteristics of computer, types of softwares, and applications. So many application softwares there, like that MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. Okay, clear? Thank you.